Hi everyone, today I'm creating a very exciting transformation. We're going to be doing metallic purple eyes with mauve lips for a very Indian Sangeet look, or you can even wear this for a cocktail look or any other sort of a party look. So I'm just working on her skin, adding corrector, primer, mattifying her skin. As you can see, her skin is slightly textured, and I'm giving her a very smooth full coverage foundation, which I'm dabbing into her skin very nicely, softly. And for the contour, I'm going slightly stronger. As you can see, her face is a little broad, so just to give more dimension, add more structure. After foundation, we have to make sure we do these techniques, otherwise our face can look really pale and blank. And then setting it all with powder. Make sure never to over powder the face, that can make your makeup look very cakey. Only for the under eyes, I'm adding little translucent powder. This will help catch any fallout from my eyeshadow. It will also ensure that the under eyes are right in place. For the eye makeup, I'm starting with the lilac or very light purple and blending it all over the eyelids. She doesn't have an extreme eye gap, so we have to use techniques that's just going to work for her eye shape and her eye gap. And then I'm going in with the darker purple on the inner corner and outer corner and softly blending it together. Then using a metallic purple pigment, I'm just applying it on the center of the lid. And then to enhance that, I'm adding a little bit more. This is to deepen the pigment and to add more color. Chunky glitter is what I'm using now. This is going to give a really nice effect and open up her eyes more. You can actually see how bright the pigment is and how it's shining in the light. It's really looking very, very strong. Her eyebrows, I worked on them a little bit. Whenever you have someone who has eyebrows little up and down, don't be too afraid. It's absolutely natural because of processes of eyebrow waxing or eyebrow threading. For her under eyes, I just used a little kajal and blended it out. And now I'm using a matte blusher. Using matte blush and contour is going to help not make her skin look too textured. It's going to keep her makeup looking intact and quite flat. And then using a highlighter, which is also in a little bit of a lilac and purplish shade. I use that on the cheeks. And now you can see I'm using a very dark mauve lipstick. And then to neutralize it, I'm going to be using a different lipstick for the center. If you've been watching our videos, then you do know that I do this technique a lot. This makes the lips more look pouty. I also added a bit of gloss, which is going to make her lips not just look poutier but also shiny and add a very glamorous effect to the whole look. You want to finish your lash band with some amount of eyeliner because that's going to give a cleaner finish to your makeup. And this is the final look. Can you tell how beautifully it has come out? The colors are not looking odd at all. It's going beautifully with the jewelry and the garment, and her hair just looks fabulous. It's very important as a makeup artist to know what hairstyle to do when you're doing makeup as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I had creating this look. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for many more different types of makeup looks, techniques, and ideas for your makeup looks or for your occasion. So if you like this video, don't forget to let us know in comments, and I will see you guys again very, very soon with a new look and new techniques.